Question number 4. A block of mass 1 kg. So this is your 1 kg. 1 kg rests on a trolley of mass 4 kg. This is your 4 kg. Coefficient of dynamic friction between the block and the trolley is 0.3. Here it is 0.3. Okay, horizontal force of 5 Newton acts on the block. Block slides over the trolley. Is this true? Okay, let us find out. If this is 1 kg here, the frictional force here should be equal to 0.3 times mg, because this is your normal force. We have 0.3 into mg. It should be your frictional force. It should be 0.3 into 1 into 10, which should be equal to 3 Newton. So definitely it is larger. Applied force is larger than friction, so it goes. So frictional force on this one is seen to be 3 Newton. So if this is 3 Newton, this is your action, reaction force of this one. Okay, so now this trolley would be pulled in this way by the same 3 Newton. Though 5 Newton acts over here, 2 Newton will act on it, right? And 3 Newton will act on it. So as a result of this, now it is moving at 3 Newton. Now your acceleration of this block would be the total force 3 Newton divided by the total mass, sorry, the mass of this trolley, which would be 4 kg. So this should be 0.75 meter per second square. Thus the answer is C over here.